I'm excited to be here. I love doing these trainings. I do a weekly one for my team. Hi, Jeannie Mac. She's on. Angeline, hello. But I do a team meeting every week with my paparazzi team that I have, and then we have these fun presentations. So this is what is here for you. I'm gonna hide myself. So do you ever just like laugh at yourself? But it's all about you tonight, my friends. So tonight we're going to chat about making extra cash. It could be something fun for you: discounts, retirement, tax breaks, new job, retire, your spouse, vacation, kids, activities, or just fun money. Hey, Kathleen. But if you have not met me, my name is Jen Gear, and I'm a bling teacher. I don't know. I really don't know what to call myself other than I love jewelry, and I've been doing it for a long time. I've been in network marketing since before Sam was born, and he is going to be 14 this year. So I want to say 17 years. For the last 15, though, I've been helping people build a business. Yes, that is what I do. Hello. So y'all can hear me okay? Hey, Sherry. But I am from Wyoming. I am born and raised. If you are tuning in, where are you from? Do you live in the same place that you were born in, right? I do, not very far. But I love the history of Wyoming and the beautiful scenery. I've been in network marketing, there it is, since 2006, and with Paparazzi accessories since 2011. Now, I joined Paparazzi, and check this out. I found some super old photos, which is kind of fun when you find them. The one off to the left there is one of my booth events years and years ago. I want to say 8 years ago. And if you can look closely, the boards are duct taped, like with hot pink duct tape. Yes, seriously. But I joined Paparazzi because I wanted something for myself. As a mom, I shared a boutique with a couple other ladies, and I was a college student at the time. And my why has changed multiple times over the years, and it does all the time. You know, you find different things that you enjoy. But tonight's main topic is all the ways to make money with Paparazzi. Now, there's so much when you join any business or you start your own business, there's so many different avenues within it that each week we are going to have a different topic. And this one, we are going to learn all the different ways, because some people might say, well, Jen, I don't want to do live shows like you. Okay. Well, Jen, I don't want to, or I do want to do this, and I don't want to do that. That's great. This is the perfect thing, is because so many people can do it so many different ways, right? And we're going to learn about them. But if you did not know, our jewelry is only $5. Who likes this necklace? What do y'all think of that? Heck yes. We earn 45% always off each piece. And we also have a Z line that we sell them for $25. But if you have jewelry, you can make money. That's the basics in this business. I mean, anywhere. And that's what is great. Everyone is different, and we all have different ideas. Okay. But here's the first one up. And I usually talk fast. So if I'm too quick for y'all, slow down, Jen. But you can also shoot me messages if you don't feel comfortable asking questions here. Totally okay. But here's the no travel necessary. If you are like, I can't travel. Now, we have people on our team that live in really big cities, but they don't have a car. Is that you? You know, where I am in Wyoming, we have to have a car. Like, majority of people have cars in Wyoming because you got to get around. Everything's pretty spread out here. But we have team members that they live in an area where there's no cars, so they take bus or transit systems, and we work with them on how they can take jewelry and do a little setup at a school or something like that. But you don't have to. You don't have to leave your house to share Paparazzi, to sell Paparazzi, to make some extra cash. You can set up home shows, your house, a friend's house. You can have a home show and invite other vendors to come and bring their stuff, where maybe you have a candle lady and maybe you have a clothing lady. Those are the best. And maybe bring in the wine lady. Oh yeah, you're going to really have fun that night. But you can set up an in-home boutique. You can have an outdoor bling shed. Have you heard of those? That's where you get one of those sheds and you turn it into a store outside your house. Because if you're like, dude, I don't have enough room inside my house to have, you know, a jewelry room or a boutique or anything like that, you can do it outside too. You can also do them in yard sales. You just separate it from your yard sale stuff and have signs that say, hey, it's only $5. So you can do that as well. But what about your day-to-day life, right? I wear jewelry 99% of the time. There is that time that I don't wear necklaces in the summer if I'm outside working. I always have earrings in, and a lot of the times I wear bracelets, but I always have earrings. But people will comment on your jewelry and they might be like, oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Where did you get that? But you could bring your jewelry to coffee dates. You could do a bunko night. Has anybody ever played bunko? A girlfriend told me about that. Hey, Shannon, you could have a wine and bling night, teachers' lounges. So every year for the teachers at my kids' school, I take in about 40 lanyards. And that's me saying, hey, guess what? I'm your jewelry lady, you know, and I donate them. Every year I go in and just give them a bunch of lanyards because teachers need gifts, especially at the beginning of the year and all year. Teachers are amazing, but you could do parades. Hey, Kimberly. You could just, you know, just be out there in whatever works in your day-to-day life. If you go bowling, I mean, I'm trying to think of all the places that I used to take a bag to McDonald's and my friends would shop out of the bag. It was just day-to-day life. It wasn't anything crazy and out of my normal routine. Another way that you can sell jewelry is at vendor and craft events. You could do flea markets. Did you know, right? Businesses. Do you know somebody that's an insurance agent? Do you know somebody that owns a store? Yes, you can sell your jewelry in there. Boutiques where you have a salon and maybe they have a small section of, you know, where you could put your jewelry. All it has to be is clearly marked that it's $5. That's it. And then it's paparazzi. When it's in a boutique, okay? In a business, someone owns a insurance company, ask them. If you know the manager or owner, you can get your foot in the door. We have someone here in town that has a mechanic shop and she has it inside her lobby. Hello, how awesome is that? You could do an enclosed trailer. I had an enclosed trailer, a 7x14 foot. I had it for 5 years. Did that a lot. Tailgating. I did that before. You know, you could do that where you pull into a parking lot and lift up the back of your, you know, of your car or your truck, and you could sit out there and sell jewelry that way as well. Basket parties, totes, bags, and boxes. Those are super popular. Where if your friend works at the bank, you could just pop in and say, hey, you know, go shopping and collect the money and then give me the returns and give her free pieces for doing it. Super, super simple. So I've already shared quite a few ways that you can do this. Check this out though. This is the more, I don't want to skip a slide here. This is the more techie side of the business. Who's techie? If you're techie, throw up some hearts, right? Throw some hearts if you're a techie person. So you could sell your jewelry on website. Have you heard of Square, Spotify, or apps? You can sell it that way. Paparazzi does provide you a free replicated site. That means the website that's paparazzi.com and then your consultant ID number, totally free for you. And they update it all the time. Hello, how cool is that? And you don't have to do anything. And it's free? Yes. And coming this fall, you might have heard, we have an app coming out for on-hand inventory. So that means you'll have an app on your phone that you can give it to your friends and say, here, shop what I have on hand. Super, super cool. That is coming out. All right, social media. Most of us know, I mean, social media is big, right? It's everywhere. It's not going to go away. There will always be something, right? We're always going to have something. You know, so selling on social media, TikTok, Instagram, messenger groups, on your profile page, your group, well, you have profile, group, Facebook page, which is a business page. You have a Facebook Live, flash sales, reels, stories, wall posts, albums, online hosted shows. Y'all, I could keep going. There's so many different options. Paparazzi is one of the most versatile businesses that you can sell, that you can just do it anywhere, which is fantastic. I think that you're not locked down, that you can't sell here or there, right? What do y'all think of that? That's what I'm just like, oh my gosh. But let me go back to this one here. So selling on social media though, what I just shared with you in these previous slides is all the different options, right? So you might like to sell and post some pictures on a messenger group. We have one girl in our team She does amazing, and she uses a messenger group. She just says, hey, here's the new photos, and she drops them in there and they comment which ones they want. And that's how she does her business. We have another team member that just does reels, tons and tons of reels, you know, and stories. So, and we have other ones that just use a group. I mean, there's so many different options. It's really what works for you. Now, if you have held on and you're like, hey, this is kind of cool, I will show you the kits here. Now, they do come with jewelry. This is the basic business supplies that you will get with your kits, okay? Paparazzi has 3 kit options. The first one is the Home Business Complete Kit. Now, this is the biggest, the baddest, the most awesome kit, right? You can invest in your business and go crazy, right? It's like everything all at once. You get 200 pieces of jewelry, 200 pieces of jewelry. Did you catch that? And you get all of these business supplies to help you within your business. Everything you need to get your business started, okay? But that is a value of $1,000. And you also get a convention ticket, which is another $245, depending on taxes. And I don't know about you, but did y'all see convention? If you've seen convention, say me down below, right? Did you see it last week? It was absolutely phenomenal. You get to go for free. Yeah, if you buy that big kit. Now, they do have what they call the small kit. It's $299. It's 120 pieces. The value of that is $600. So lots of the same business materials, just less jewelry. And then they have the basic one, just get your foot in the door. Now, that one I really recommend if you're just like, okay, I have enough to get started, I'm going to do that. Or, Jen, I just want the membership discount so I don't have to pay full price. Did you know there's one of those? Buy the basic kit for $100. It's worth $175 because you get all that jewelry in there. And then just order when you want and order what you want. How does that sound? I will be honest, in the beginning of my paparazzi career, I was the basic, but that was before paparazzi even had kits. Yeah, they didn't have kits. They had membership price of $40. Then they had this package of jewelry for $300. And then I think the next one was $700. And then I think it went to like $2 or $3 grand. I don't remember. It was a lot. I went for the $40, can I be part of the cool club? And then I ended up buying a bunch of jewelry. So if you do just want a membership and a discount here and there, grab that basic kit. And as you want to build your business. So, all right, the next slide we got here is how you can be successful within paparazzi, right? You're like, okay, I want to do this, or I'm kind of want to do this. I want to share what we do in our team. Okay. Now every team is different. You'll see lots of people do different things. We have a team Facebook group to help you in your business. You can participate in weekly challenges, or you can just be a blingy fly on the wall. It's totally up to you. I'm not going to call you every day and say, hello, McFly, why aren't you doing something? No, we're here to help you. We do a weekly 30-minute personalized team training, recognition, and mini trainings on different topics. We have a weekly mastermind that is a little bit more into, you want something more than just that basic hobbyist, right? We have a monthly in-person coffee date and a monthly fun team get-together, which you can bring your family. How cool is that? And then we have a team YouTube channel with all of our trainings. So those are provided to you for free. That's just being part of the cool club, right? Now, here is how to get started. I know I chatted super quick, right? But if you have any questions, definitely drop them below. If y'all have been waiting and hanging out on the fence, you know, send me a DM and we can help answer any questions for any of the information that you might be looking to. This is our team group. If you're interested in that, comment team. If you want more info on getting started, just drop info and we can message each other or call or Zoom or all that fun stuff. And we'll answer anything for you. Let's see. I'm having fun with the slides, but if you have any questions though, shoot me a message, okay? Like I said, I've been doing this for a very